Good morning, students. This is B.N. Jha welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, in our previous video, we were learning about dispersion of light, and we come to know that the phenomena of a splitting of white light into its component colors on passing through a transparent medium like a prism is called dispersion of light. Students, it was Sir Isaac Newton who was the first scientist to prove that white light is a mixture of 7 colors, and to prove that 7 colors combined to form a white light, he did an experiment, and this experiment can be repeated by us also. So how to show that 7 colors combine to form white light? We need a circular cardboard, 7 color paints, a refill of a ball pen. A student, by these things we can show that white color is a mixture of 7 colors. Take a circular cardboard disc about 10 cm diameter, divide them into 7 equal segments, and then paint with different colors in order to vigor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This circular disc is painted with violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And then fix this disc loosely on the tip of a refill of a ball pen so that it can rotate freely on the tip of the ball pen. Now rotate the disc quickly in daylight. You will see the 7 colors mixed together, due to which you will observe the disc white. This was the disc made by Newton for the first time to prove that white color is a mixture of 7 colors. This disc is called Newton's disc. Students, Newton disc shows mixing of 7 constituent colors, we get white colors. And we have seen when light passes through a medium like prism, these white colors are split into 7 colors. We can obtain the refracted light through prism on a white screen, and we find that a band of 7 colors vigor is obtained on the white screen. This is called a spectrum. So we have learned about the 3 phenomena of light: reflection, refraction and dispersion. And these 3 phenomena are very important to understand the happenings, incidents, natural incidents or artificial incidents that take place due to light. Students, next day we will try to discuss on the questions given in our exercise. But today we discuss some questions related to light. The main point of this lesson is to understand what is light, and we have learned about this. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see anything around us. The speed of light in vacuum and air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the highest ever speed of any object in the universe. A student, light follows 3 types of phenomena: reflection, refraction and dispersion. We have to know about reflection. We have to know about the process of formation of image through a plane mirror, through a concave mirror, and image formation through convex mirror. Again, we should learn about refraction of light, in which refraction through different medium, refraction through lenses, and then we learn about dispersion of light. So, try to prepare your fair book, and if needed, discuss questions. You can send questions and I will be pleased to answer your question to solve your problems. So the students, next day we will discuss some of the important questions from our exercise. Thank you. See you next day.